Welcome back to the class. Now we're going to be looking at the mid, the right, and the left function. The mid function is used to extract middle value from a set of data in a cell. So we simply put an equal sign and put MID, mid. So you will choose the text. That's the first. So if you look at the screen tip, the requirement says provide the text and the start number and the number of characters you want to extract. So this is the text. So the text can be number, can be alphabetic text. The start number is, let me say, 1. The number of characters to extract, okay, let me say 3 for start number. Number of characters to extract, let's say 3 or let's say 4. Okay, so now let's see the result. So this gives me 7, 7, 8. So that is from the third character and 4 characters to that side. So it means if I change this to start from the fourth character and 4 characters to the middle, then that's going to be 7, 8, 9, 9. So if I copy it down, this extracts the middle values from this. So that is from this, it has picked 7, 8, 9, 9. From here, it picked 5, 5, 6, 7. And from here, it picked 5, 6, 7, 4. So that is how the mid function works. The right function on the other side picks values to the right. So if you put the equal sign and you type right function, so you pick your text and then you provide the number of characters to the right. The number of characters to the right. So I'll pick 4 and then close the bracket. So number of characters from the right is 4 characters, 9900. So he picks it from the right side. That means it starts from 0 and then 0 and then 9 and then 9. So that's why we have this. If I drop that down, double click, so you see that it picks 4 characters to the right. So if I choose 5 characters from right to left, and then this is what I get. 5 characters from right to left, I get 00998. So the right function helps us to pick values to the right. So you can use this with code, you can use it with text, where you have text, for instance, and then you want to pick 4 characters to the left, to the right, from the right side to the left. So if you say equals right and you pick your text, you put a comma, you put 4, it's going to give you, so you can see the result. So it's 4 characters from right to the left. And if you are trying to do for left to right, then this is equals left function, which picks, so you pick your text, the syntax is text and the number of characters. So number of characters from left to right, I want 4 number of characters, 4 from left to right, and that is the left side to the right side. So we have the values. So that is the left function. And if what you're looking for is to join text together, then we can use what we call the concatenate function. The concatenate function joins text together. So now let's look at this example. We have these names: Paul, Mark, Mary Jane, Phillips, Yale, Emmanuel, Kamal, and Timotokwe, Samuel. We want to join them together. So we simply put equal sign, concatenate. So concatenate provides us with syntax text 1, text 2. So you pick your text. So this is text 1. You put a comma. Now, if I pick this mark as text 2, it means that the result that I'm going to get may not be as desired. Even though this is showing me space, but not necessarily will others give me the same result. Possibly this text comes, if you look at Paul, it comes with a space in the original entry, and that is why there's space. So, and it's not in all occasion that people will type text with space. So, as you can see, there is no space within the text. So, how do we do it with space? We have to introduce a third text. So, this is how we go. We type equals concatenate, we pick the first text, put comma. But before we pick the last name, we will open a quote, a double quote, put space, close the double quote, then put a comma. So this is empty string. What this one means is empty string. So it provides the space for us. Then we can now pick the last name. So which means we are dealing with three texts. We are concatenating three texts. The first one, the space, which is open double quote, press space bar, close the double quote, put a comma, and then pick the last one. So you will see that it will show the name with space. All right.